Obviously, for see a boy, mama, chairman, Makwa, Bebrasso, so Mamunia Maudobison, somewhere. Yaki Cassie, and near Bunny at the Baba some more, and some not a dosso pa. Na posso ni. Mampenina and Adu Danko for Dramagana Madisia Mo, Ningina, a say, Yajitu Musi at the democracy, a bayer Jumano, in fear Diasani, a Chirenie, no Magana Madisia Muabra, and Ra on your Muningina, Edi and Como.
Na yatna sie die na ye besomo sompa e wakasa fide so na meka wo say ye demo live e wo TV ne so e Sompa TV odru abel fontentai kase ne so a e Sompa Ghana YouTube Facebook Twitter ni na ye nenam honum bi na meka won so se odru honum a na waja comment e wase emra ne so a ye bekenkan ni na e de amano apiapia so sa ama afoforo enso ensaka anapei ya ye de kase e besomo e ye me Ekia boachewa asempa yetia minimia.
Nana ya obo amalibia bogabuze ensha kasena senior from Freeman Penny na nado danko akufado atena ye. Enra Ghana man Penny ne Ghana ma this ye nyina ekasai. Se oman no ye gitum eja ye papa Penny osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah benim twreboa ye de ahesogi ne tata de so agon papa odi Ghana ma this ye nim ema ye gi ye ho efri kwasi kokko nsem no eja ewo mu a na asogafo matuo so an asumasi kwabrane katasi Jumde kankane proye ene kwani odu oman faso no ya sojafo ne ye ntiase enti ye beje oman ne ya hweso ene edididi mu a ebesi afia pem ahankura di okonom yenu 1992 a Ghana ma de sie nyina ya dwene ko benkrom agitu mu se ye de kebma nkabi ebeye adwuma na kobase ye sesa ban a enkoya sojafo ne besore ye atwituo akosi mampani so ekunkum nipa so omoji oman no na omo ahweso ne mum ye timamufo no a ene ye betena ye ne nam ye kokromoti power so eyi asomasi afiri honom eyi obenti afiri honom ede foforo ababesha na mu ye gitum yi se ye de democracy be ye adwuma no mfie be aduasamu ani na ene na eso pepepe na busuya enra Ghana man pani ne Ghana ma de hye kasai eche so ma ye nyina mo si ya jajatum si ya de democracy na ebeye adwuma na biem susu no se obi anyana fam de na sa democracy kabima minkabi kokromoti power ya jatum si ya de beto aba na ye yi aban bi afiri honom na ye de foforo aba be sha na mu no ye be hye mu kina na SPA sita na boa amoman no akọ animu mampani na na dodanko akufo do wachima PSA be ma boada na nsemo a wode tudwa enu a wabra na oni omamu ni nyina ebotu kakrano ebi enie
2023 will be exactly 30 years since the Constitution of the Fourth Republic came into force, with the inauguration into office of the first president of the Fourth Republic, His Excellency, the late Jerry John Rawlings. It has inspired the longest period of stable constitutional governance in our history. The census emerged strongly that the dam of governance is preferable, the benefit showing. Hence the decision to celebrate 7th January, Constitution Day. Our country is considered a beacon of democracy and stability in Africa, where respect for the principles of democratic accountability, human rights, and the rule of law have enabled us to oversee 8 presidential elections in the Fourth Republic, with 5 presidential transitions and 3 peaceful transfers of power through the ballot box from one party to another. We have every right to be proud of this record, and the celebration of the 30th anniversary of the Fourth Republic should inspire us even further to hold on to this status. Fellow Ghanaians, I acknowledge that the strength of any democracy is very much determined by the credibility of its electoral process and respect for the will of the people. We cannot overlook the fact that instability has followed disputed elections in many parts of the African continent. On the 2 occasions in which disputes have arisen over the results of presidential elections, happily, it was in the court and not on the streets that the issues were satisfactorily resolved. By all accounts, we've come a long way, and we should not take it for granted. Everybody in Ghana has accepted democracy as the preferred mode of governance. There are those who would rather have authoritarian rule because they claim our country is underdeveloped and democracy is cumbersome, and we need to get things done in a hurry. We still have some work to do to convince such people that we are all safer under democracies. Nevertheless, If we seek to prolong our democratic journey, it is imperative that we enhance transparency and accountability in our governance structure and build strong institutions that can fight corruption and the dissipation of public funds. I say, without any form of equivocation, that my government has undertaken arguably the boldest initiative since independence to reform and strengthen, including the empowerment of the anti-corruption, passage of the right to enact, which previous administrations had been unable to effect, establishment, Office of Special Prosecutor, an independent non-partisan body with a relevant professional capability and exclusive mandate to investigate and prosecute acts of corruption.
Abusia hweme da ni ranwa na senu omampani na nado dan kwakufu do watchman PSA be ma boda na yete ne nka no a wo maga na manyina mo se amfa ne ne ekoso aba bi wonu ma woni ne nyadwene enhihye bi ode ba no woni ne yadwene nyeye na nso ne nyemo no yagye atum ne yekabma minka bi no enyina mfie aduasa achi ne yeguso ayekwa anim wose yenyina anyi afom de na yemo no soso aban no eye na afom de se beye na democracy no ebetumpon ne yakwa anim pi no a
na se omanfo ebekaya enche yakra na yewura Alan John Trematin osoafo a ohwe dwedie ene infididwuma samso ewo yaman yimu sese meka se osoafo dada esane se watwa krata e de akoma omanpanyi se opese odi ne tools egu honom na enamweso amamafo bebre ache omadwen se oh eya Ghana manmra no na achechire no se on resign na enamsa kwan we so enopanyi bia eba no amanyosem a wakwadare wo mu pa yewura Isaac Brackon odene nsem abetudwa no chiem na okase oh da bia ntesa enya manmra no ena chechire no esane se senka yewura Alan John Trematin pese otena simpo na osoma enko betumi aye ne sa pepepe Dr. Isaac Brackon University of Education Winneba ehonom ena odini dwuma na ochire ne nsemusi
Constitution no be bie ni ho a woka se oye soafo na wo pese fokotu franka wo resign na mmom ekwan beye enum na constitution abato ho se wo ye soafo a odibre no ebeda mpan baako ene se ebia baafo owo ababenu wase ede wokro etoso mienu ebia wankasa wa resign said de eneye hu oyi etoso miensa se omkopasi vote of censure said de dan nanka eba a entumi ensie yi ena etoso enan say ya appoint wo say speaker and deputy speaker of parliament won't mean san yes wa for nti eso de wadwuma ne to enum no eye se mampani waji wa free wakonya so enti ekwan enum wei ena so bi yesoafo a ana soafo abedi akira ne dibre no eba bedampan enti we no se wo ambition bi se opese wani wo baby na wo ye ne de constitution nka ho hwe se esese wo resign na momo no wo hu se yesi wo de wani mienu hwe toam a ba akobo na me principal college a me call ya BTV training college me principal no wo ne efe no foribu ahene wo se wo no de wo de wani mienu hwe toam a ohene ene hunu mu ehwen so ye mfa nhwa de enti me gide se sa dayeso na wo ne so no wo pese wo timi nya kwan na wo timi ton ne ho magana fo nyina hu sampa krachi yini eno nti na ebia wo de ne dwumadie ato ho no no na nya se constitution na ehye ne baabia se onfa ne dwumadie ento ho oh there be ehia we de ehia amendment se ebe ya amendment wo hokra there be nipa ko na wo pese wo kro no se wo hwe na babua wo de a na wo de wani hwe ha de wani hwe ha na ba afo nso ateasim na omo ye omo campaign na wo kise o jo bedu minister na wo nya kwan nye ne nkofo be ya mo no mbe ye ne yie de a enti ho de ehia ye hia amendment for constitution na we de enya de ese de hye constitution mu se there be wo pese wo ye se ya there be koda ze mampani ni na be de akire omo constitution nka se wo ye mampani o san akopiri uti biu ana wo ya be de akire wo pese wo kopre senia yewura Aliu Mahama ye senia yewura Baumia wa konya so ye ya kwan bibie ni wose se wo do dwumadie to ho no mo obetimi adobo wo ye wokura wudi bremu no na wo san apre wuti
abusia masuma ubetumi adobo Dr. Isaac Brackon amanyɔsɛm mu nimdifoɔ paa a ɔdi ne dwuma ɛwɔ University of Education wuniba ɔno ɛna de sansɛm yi ato dwa
abusua egusua de mu gyina yewura Alan Kojo Kyerematen di bra wɔde atoɔ no ɛne nsɛm a ɛhemba no mu a na ɛnura nwumrɛ ɛna bɛyɛ akɛ oba yɛse sai sɛ papa Alan Kojo Kyerematen kra ne di bra na ɔde to hɔ no no ɛnyɛ sɛ bia na MPP franketufo no a wɔpɛ no nko anti ana na nani wɔ so na mmom ɛbɛyɛ sɛ mampɛni na nadu dan Akufo do next week ɔbɛ reshuffle na ɔde Alan Kyerematen free na tenaye na ɔwɔ no ɛdena kɔ baabi foforɔ a na Alan Kojo Kyerematen wɔn pɛ ɛne ma ɛnura wɔde ne di breto wɔnom sɛ soafo a ɔhyɛ ɔma yɛ mfidi nnwuma ɛne dwadie ho nsɛnsɛm so ɛnam so ma yɛte ne sɛ no yɛbɔ pira amanyɔsɛm animdifoɔ no binom sɛ yɛne ɔmo bɛdi ho kɔma afa ho abusa sɛ saa na ɛteɛ deɛ a na wɔn bua ne sɛ nie Dr. Kwame Asante ɛyɛ obi a wabene paa ɛwɔ amanyɔsɛm ɛsa so kyerɛ ho adeɛ ɛwɔ University of Ghana Legon yɛbɔ pire no ɛne ne kokodi nkɔmɔ ɛne wɔkyerɛ sɛ saa asɛm no wɔn so ate bi na ɔnyini na ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔbɛgye adi fi sɛ ɔdani adi nsɛm akyi paa titiriw ɛne yɛwura Alan Kojo Kyerematen ne dibre yi a ɔde ato wɔ no ne esiyɛ ɛne nsɛm yi akɔkɔ so ɔde n'ani adi akyire papa na ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔbɛgye adi sɛ ne yɛyi Alan Kyerematen ɛde na firi na tenae hɔ ɛde na kɔ baabi foforɔ a ne n'ani nye ho ɛno nti ɛna ɔma a ɔde ne dibre to hɔ nom sɛ soafo a ɔhyɛ ɔma yi yɛ mfidi dwuma ɛne dwadie ho nsɛnsɛm so.
If that's the case that you want to avoid a situation where the president will shortchange him by putting him in a lesser position so that it can affect his political fortune, I'm not sure the president has that intention, and I know he will not go on that tangent just to, cause disaffection within his own party and undermine somebody who has worked very well with the party, served his party very well in his government. I'm not sure that is the intention of the president. No. But if you look at the other bit, that it is the case that the minister want to contest, that is more probable. And that he want to contest, then, people have said, all of us have said, that those who want to really contest, they should just leave the seats and then give government free space so that others can come into that political space and come and provide a service for us. But they are there, and instead of working, some of them, I'm not talking about this particular minister, they will be nursing the ambition, they are doing all manner of things, and then it affects or undermines the work that they do as ministers. I'm sure he has taken a cue from all that people have said, and then he wants to put his seat down and then begin to work properly for what want to have for himself for 2024.
Abusia Dr. Kwame Asante ene yete ne nka no yobi a wabene ewo amanyosemu a oya frukutu mo kase mprepu no kase nhyehyɛ ene yete ne nka no amana nso a eno oche no de afutuo base mampani na nadu dan Akufo do sabre ya yewura Alan Kojo Kyerematen ede ne dibra to wonom se soafo a ohye omaye mfiri nyuma ne dwadie won sensem so no so obayi obi ede na akwa akosi na namu honom a wonhwe nkonkan pa no ne din komo no ne ampanifo ma bene ewo saa tenaye no ene din komo no pa obi a osefata obetuma to owura na dwumaye so ne momo de nani kohwe se we ye mamanyoni pi no a wanhwe ya no anhye da ankonya obi obeboa no ama na mamu a wobu no akonkan yi.
Mr. Alan Kyerematen, as we have known him from Kufuor's era to date, for me, has been a very hardworking man. He's a very honest person, very sincere, and then he has a lot of goodwill and reputation. So if you have such a person in your government, it speaks volume of the caliber of people who are in government. So if we are losing him, obviously the president would do the needful by trying to convince him to stay. But of course, every individual has his own ambition. If that is the ambition of Mr. Kyerematen, he will not budge. He will only say, Mr. President, I thank you, but I need to go out. It's normal in politics. It doesn't affect the smooth running of the government because governments are nothing but birds of passage. They come and go. And so are the ministers in government. They will come, they will go, but government remains solid on the ground. So others will step into issue and continue. So I believe that once he is resigned, that's it. The president will fill the vacuum and then government will run. It will not undermine the effort of government at all. First of all, we have said time and again, even though I acknowledge that there's a political conversation about political debate as to whether competence and loyalty is the key. But I still stand firm to my position that it is competence, because you can have somebody who is 100% loyal to you, but he can be the best incompetent person you can think of. And is that the person that you want? Because every government wants results. So whoever you put into your team as a part of the body of ministers, you want that person to come and perform. So the president will want to consider competence, followed by the person must be a team player. Somebody is competent, but if he's not a team player, because remember that part of the provision of the Constitution, I don't have it on top of my head, says that you are going to team up with your sector minister, but this one is the minister himself. So you need competence. You need also.
Abusua Dr. Kwame Asante yobi a wabini ye pa ewa manyosemo wasaso echere ho de University of Ghana Legon yera Alan Kojo Chiramaten ni dibre ye ode ato we ene wo chese mampeni na nado danko akufuado obebo bia hyem no obo ahyemu a onhwe nkonkan sense ode nani beto sa somasi ni obenten ene firi mabanyukom enti chenchire me de omo kwa akose ho ohwe konkan ye beboa no ama wo ya na wo ba no wotimi aba beboa no ama na mamu wubu no akwanimu
na mpanyifo ba ko a eba se yentre nsempa emfama onimunyamfo Alan Chirmatena odimu ntintima pa eye Owura Joseph Amoa na Asante Mantemu ena Yewura Joseph Amoa edi ne dwuma na esantrafo a ye Sompa television yenya te se Yewura Alan Chirmaten ede ne nkuku ogu honom se enedei onsom se osoafo edema dwedie ene infidi nwuma nsem so no ye twemben owura yi na ye bisa ne se asemi osomusen Yewura Joseph Amoa kan ya kosi se wachakra dodo ya twenyache esane se e wosen koreza ne da nemum ne ha ye ne se ebeye din si ebenya osoafo bi a obetimi abesi Yewura Alan Chirmaten anamu esane se eba no adwuma ala na body a yentimi emfa tutu bibia ho na okan ni sei
edi anya dia nemum se dia me je wo mun de ya kuma so ade ana ya hwehwe se ebebem da so enne abem ya kuma so ade ne se na ya hwehwe eda ya ne ayi ni afani Alan Chirmaten ode ni dibre no ebe tu forward jim obefa edwuma pa opeso ye de boa o me a eye frank tu no obefa na otu frank ama ye no na ye ni je ho pa edwuma na wo ye o ho mi ni se na edwuma wo ye nzo ehu ni asem waye edwuma kama ama obi abo na baso be okoye edwuma bia titiri trade ministry ho na we na edwuma no ye bia obi no nya ho asem kan papa ni pa unya no ho asem ba ni bia nka obi aso so kan ho asem bia na ye na edwuma pa bia waye eni di ene ne ya de kakra suro ene ni edi o wa beti na nan even you be a bit without you. But then people have the men. The engineers are but as you know why you are not there. These are so be the qua. Saying I now but young to you know one and now mining in every say over the deal meso. Not now come up planning against say papa a war or man who meaning it in your book. The sea I know say as you know done in minister. For the trade minister no come one. I say I know what you have bread so you are where you are in Africa. Kenya or you want that. It's not a here pa 93.1 and wetimi de na yi na so ho so be ya adwuma na wo ye wetimi aye nka na wo ye no pepe
sene be ya adwuma o ye no obetumi aye no pepe Yewura Amoa Joseph ene de sansemoni na etudwa
Abusua safe nu abeka ho aye ka o se Sompa 93.1 FM ya no pa no nsia kase na nsa no be bia wo bia no yegusu ede ma o style bia no ye ka mo se free Sompa 93.1 FM so e wo kumase no ebebo mfumpa na atwa pesa dada no ho eye chi akwakofa Sompa 98.9 FM so e wo sunyan ene ne nkwado Sompa 98.9 FM so e wo sunyan ene ne mpotamu ye kase ne sent no ejibe bia wajenchenu nsusu obetimi dia ba wabra wo kan ho e wo social media platforms awodo ne nyina so woko Facebook aha Sompa 93.1 FM. Facebook Sompa 93.1 FM. And a YouTube Sompa TV Ghana. Sompa TV Ghana. Wajen chenu nsusi ode biabia ono ma igusu ye beka sie ma wono ye boboso kakra. De amamo yento akase no so na yemfamo enko ensemfufuru mu mraswe dwani o mraswe dwafie ma dehia wo mo sunya ne West Abaton pesua so yewura Ignatius Bafo awua pape ono akrona ne saso ye soafo a ohwema ye adwumaye ene apade hu nsensem na ode atodwa se okai pa se mra bi atwamu adwumayefo se no a one adwumayefo kokobo tuma bi obekai a o se April bosome no emu ewa fe 2022 nim ene obekai pa say Civil and Local Government Staff Association etwanitia ekana se closer for ekoye omunhia mu bi ena okwase ewo mfimfi mantemu se soafo a ohwe maye mfiri ohwe eye adwumaye ne apade hu nsensem so na busia okoye no na chese nkomo no akwakoye wo mo adwumaye aketi omunsaka enwanamu egu ho ye wosa ban tutumu ntogusu onu omudi nkomo no a ena bibide neutrality allowance be piemu ena ja wode ne nsa kokosha ase no se saade ne yade bi a woye ya wonu no ho besi ne wonu no papa na toda ya no obusa no ho se ade wo moye na dura na ede asam nko na close agfo ka kire no a wogitu mu ema ode ne nsa ekokoshe saade na se a etoda kra no a ya no obusa no ho se Dr. Isaac Bampado a wa pani kwankyerefo a woda close agko na no ebia no oye ni bibi enema okoko science saade no a saade na ba beto mampeni na dodan kwa akufo do ene na MPP aban no komu a wo moju omu ba bia enye si etiefo pa atwere mponyankrompon base ya domo a ohata mununkumachi ototorobo nso otonso ba wiobotentimu a wade ya fa dumne mununkum agene matata ehira mo beka hye nso a saade we ya papa di ne nsa kokosha ase no eduru ba bi kra ema close agfo eduru ba bi a no mo twe se chencherenchera aban enfo mu neutrality allowance mfama wo mu a na aban twentwe ne na ase no wo mo ade omu nkuku ene omo kaka gufom eko strike etira ni pa bi no afi se na mo ye adwuma na adwuma no amo ye no mo se ya adwuma na ye no eme ye ho kwan se ye amanyosem ye de ye ho kwaje amanyosem mu dia ene mo ma ye ho allowance ga na adwuma bia soso a wo ye bia no sa na tie ema ho kwan se wo ye adwuma no nko ade ema ho kwan se wo yi wanim se bia ho kwaye amanyosem ana se odo ho kwa akofrefra amanyokuo bi omo dwumadi a wo mo edi egisamo ye ma adwene se mu asa allowance no e de ma close agfo a wan hwe a doctor fo be di akire wan hwe a cheche fo be di akire yansen twefo kra wan hwe a ne akwako di akire bia owura Ignatius Bafo awu a woyɛ mrasle dwani wo mrasle dwa fie ma dehye a wo mo sunya ne West Abaton pesua so wo chese nya mianim ene bonsamatu kosade no a wode ne nsa kokɔhye ase no besi ne wonu no ho a obenya ne nkasade no ensi kra ɛwɔ ɛyɛ natena ye honom se soafo a ɔhwe apedie ene adwumaye ɛho nsensem
na yebebowura NPP amanyokuo ni mu opanyi baako a ne dwuma so anipa ewa amanyokuo ni mu eye onimonyamfo Hackman owusu ageman na opanyi yi ana na okire na adwen ena okase se NPP amanyokuo no ebepem akona nimpa gina na iso dia na ene se yewura Alan John Chematin etu Franka asamanyukuo ne dia yemfa yewura baomia enka ne ho se na be de akire na no ena beboa ama bibia akototen okani say
we are a political party. Issues are decided collectively, and issues must be in the interest, when we are at the party level, at the interest of the party. So therefore, if it becomes necessary that there must be some kind of putting things together that will ensure our success at the next elections, then I don't think that you immediately write that one off at all. People will start, people will come in, people will go. But what we do is that eventually the National Executive, the National Council will make decisions as to who our candidate is through the various modules that we have put in place and that we would follow. And I believe that a political party which is people of the same disposition and people who think alike and want to do things the same way should always put their mind together, their heads together, and then find out a way of doing it. And so it is. I want to disagree very sincerely with the former chief of staff that this cannot be done. No, it can be done if it is the way to ensure our victory. And the party first, when we talk at the party level, of course the nation is number one. But when we come to the level of the party, our party first. Your technology has taken us by surprise. We don't seem to be getting the words through properly. So I am not with you on what your question. But if you are asking whether it will be in our interest to have Chiramatin and the vice president, or to pair themselves together, or vice versa, whatever it is, I think that will be the way to go.
Yura Hackman Owusu. Na no si ye pepe. Ena enkane kwanchefo a na oda NPP amanyokuo no nkita hodie suo no. Nana komea editu dwa se eno na waka no. Mefu awoso.
What is saying that it will be easy, but at least we would agree that if you have a ticket that includes the two main protagonists, there's a lot more advantages. Look, you know how these primaries are. It's going to be a lot of turmoil. It's going to be a lot of acrimony. Going to be accusations, counter-accusations. It's going to be damn expensive. Look at our opponents. They are going to have a relatively smooth ride. I mean, everybody agrees that one candidate is way ahead of everybody else. President John Mahama. They are not going to have this turmoil and accusations and expense. And so it can save ourselves that situation where we are going to divide ourselves. All the better for my party. You have this 8-year cycle, and we say we are going to try to break the 8. We know that today the ratings of government are not good.
Nana akomia enkane no ono ena no ye kwanchefo edema NPP amanyuku no
abusia ye nto so ne mfam free NPP amanyuku no matena ye ne mfam ko ndisi amanyuku no so akache eja ehejo bojo eyezu eyeza ede bi keke ndisi amanyuku no wona matena ye ena ye koi opani fifi kote ena eye twetwofo pani edema ndisi amanyuku no abusia samba ka se ne nso a enra ye wi aprem to brenum ekase enum ye de betumanim se ndisi amanyuku no de womo enhyehye aba bonten kwane a womo ebefa so no mato oba ayi franketufo ede ama ndc amanyuku no ene awura no mu a ebegina ndc amanyuku no dim ewo mpesua ahodo so ewo mayimu apremra se bedwafie adwa no womo ede ho enhyehye aba betudwa eme ebobo so a ema ne kosi se so don for ya dom na secretary madabo dwemogede mafusa ne yantetin kabone bia na se no mpetuche no mpeso we tetawede so ne ye koba se ya me bosumi de toso ensia ewa fimu ena ndc amanyuku nhise ya eba bonte no na eya kyerese sada ne da ombeto aba eyo pani obehim franka ede ama ndc amanyuku no ene wone soso a ombegina ewo ndc amanyuku ni dim ewo mpesua hodo so no sada no ombeto omo eso aba enam so ma twotwofo pani ede ma ndc amanyuku da ba bonte kyerese sansam na beto odwa efri enra ensantwefo etutu na srani abasadi ho nkomo no no kure bia nim wose party ni mpanimfo wo munhia yempo ene mpese wo ma akwa kosi gina ye no de sansam tudwa wabre enra wo ma ekọ na ase asore ewo national mox won krepumpene mantem ne mo.
After the next, we still have a process to go through, and after we've done the process, then we can go.
So what is being circulated around that?
Disregarding it until one of us formally comes out with a detailed communication. So disregard until one announcement. When that formal announcement is made.
So we can't tell us when the formal announcement is made.
As I said, we will be informed duly once the process is complete. So everything else is disregarded until an official communique comes forward.
Thank you.
Abusia twotwofo pani de ma ehejo bojo eyezu eyeza idebi keke ndisi amanyuku no opani fifi kote ena yete ne nka na no si ya ena chairman general edema ndisi amanyuku no Johnson esi edun ketia ntuntum nyina sergeant esoso ede kakra esoso eye ne se party ne mpanimfo behia no muhia on besi gina ye on de nhihie ba beto party ne manim no mahu ekwan a on befa so ne brekropoti a on befa so na wo ma atu no mabaye o monsise Abusia national chairman we got nkama be ka chocho for penny say dey we free ho wa graduate upon ho our ye chairman general edema NDC amanyuku no Yera Johnson Esiedu Nketia ene ye tene nkan we yemra omode aseda ekoma atwede amponyankrompon alla wonkra pompene mantemu ena na omo chechemu se nsema beto dwa se chinchini an NDC party ne beto aba 6 May no ma flag bearer parliamentary candidate no chese no krebie ni mafei eno mo kwa akosia no mo akwakosi gina wo sansem no ho
na ekuo baako a aban apa wo mo se omo hwe adesuansem so ewo Ghana manyimu no Ghana Education Service ene dey omaje Dr. Eric Nkansa atomu se ono ena omaginem enye kwantrefo panyin emfama ekuo no na ekuo no gina mu ka se omahwehwe mu a no muhu obi a ofata adwuma no se Dr. Eric Nkansa na mekai emra yede ni besi so se omagina mu se kwantrefo panyin no enkofo bebre ede omadwenkyere ebetu dwa ka se oh there bi ebeya enkawe de yemfa no ensi nchen ne yemfa obi foforo emetena so na ekuo ni kyerɛ mu sɛ Dr. Eric Nkansa ɛwɔ suahunu yie paisa ne sɛ wakyerɛ ade ɛbɛbro mfie mako dunan ɛnu nti ɔde sɛ suahunu na ɛbɛboa ama ekuo no ntotoyɛ nyinaa ayɛ bɔkɔ Reverend Dr. Isaac Owusu ɔno ɛna yɛ panyipa ɛde ma na atiko no no na ɔkyerɛ mu na ɔkasa dabi we die mpanyifo no amfa ni die a ɛsafata emfa ma atwetwefuo kuo no enunti eba ne sade a omo anya ade na ekuo no hwe se omo mfa obia omo mpentem emfa ma obia sa emfa amesi so se ono ene meye kwantrefo panyi emfa ma Ghana Education Service no Dr. Isaac Owusu.
In fact, what has happened is a big surprise to the union leaders. Why am I saying so? You know, this particular matter is before the National Labour Commission. The parties are waiting for the outcome from the Labour Commission. And we see a confirmation letter on social media. When it happened like that, what we are asking ourselves is that who briefed the President of the Republic? Is the President not aware that this matter is before the National Labour Commission? The GES Council, are they not aware that this matter is before the National Labour Commission? Are we saying that we are no longer practicing the rule of law in the country? You see, what is happening? It is my prayer that you will get Honorable Ofusua Samoa, the CEO for the Labour Commission, to find out now that the Director General has been confirmed, what becomes of the ruling of the Labour Commission. We are supposed to trust state institutions. When workers or individuals are not happy, the democracy we are practicing in the country, workers are supposed to run to the Labour Commission. And we are expecting the Labour Commission to be fair. All of us are waiting, patiently waiting for the verdict from the Labour Commission. And we sleep and wake up to see that the issue that is pending, the president, and for that matter, the government, has already confirmed our brother Dr. Eric Nkansa. I don't think it is a good thing. We have said it on timeless occasion that we do not have anything against Dr. Eric Nkansa. But once the Labour Commission, the matter is before the Labour Commission, we were expecting the ruling. If it goes against the unions, then the whole world will know that at least the ruling has come. But the ruling is yet to come, and then the confirmation has come. So what do you want us to do now?
Not President Reverend Dr. Isaac Owusu no chem no kase ono de oni bibia editia Dr. Eric Nkansa nemum Ghana Education Service ko no amfa obu amfa ma omo
Abusia Assemblyman owo Asafo Ernesto Kan ena ose GPLTU ene akwantufu a ade sei yedi asemfre ewo Asafo New Plan Station honomo a yesu ne ye bobna ne ye tiemu sa akromfo ene atutubotomfo etete no wo se ebo se enche kra boso miense edika wa fimu no wo mo ewa atweniem ewo gidie wa rehemu nkomo a wo mo adiesie ewo KMA ene se omode aso ba befom no mo asipo station mono chiao ewo Asafo ne mpotemu a ebemia bambom na yire bambom ewa Asafo New Plan Station ene ne mpotemu no mo Ernesto Card sansemi to Jawabra na abusuye dika ba betodwa se GPLTU masa atonom VIP fo no nyina esu sa ade sei se ne akromforemfo aprimanfo tete wonum se ne atutubotomfo epra wo mo New Plan Station wonum no enya asam keto akra wo ye no to nkyene a yesi ahye awofo ya wo mo tonfianfien kwara nkete o ji hodum aboso e ma se amanfo kra mpese sese on beba honom aba befa kai mpone mpese wo aba bedigwa honom ene ba sei no Sompa FM nsɛmtwɛfo penspedu kataremrante yete ye ne yese dabi ye momprimpirimfo mo asafo nkobusa wunum sa asemi so matia anamon bai no mutu dia fa ho ene sto kan we small honorable asambere mai won potamu ho ene ebopine ne kodi nkomo no wo che se oh pedinfo di nkomo si o ma di nkomo akọ animu pa ya enche bia boso miense di kan e wa fimu no kemi ene nananom ne mpanimfo agiatum eyi asase yantamo a ne tetretene ne kakraka nya asam ketua wom di post station kwa kosi so na boa amia bambom e wasafo ene new plan station potem ho nyina
GPRTU for medium ho ya opa GPRTU ba asafo market na misha nim say obi kwa akra obi kota akra dia asafo abe transport hub na misha na ombeji ho so om de run bus terminal ana om de yet lorry terminal e dia na GPRTU betimi de om say si so say asafo ye ba ye timia ye police post ana ye ba ye timi de container ba kokora si ho amanfo mo fi nyamia e be fa ka wo e terminal na ahodo e wo ho no om benya bambo minia ene na GPRTU fo hu say ye jeje amanfo ba ana ye jeje amanfo fon e ba ye meto na mo se me ni om be hia me om hia be premier san ni na no ensiaga nti say no hwa meto ho na mo wo KM a ye action plan move for 2022 ne wo mi say be see police station wa asafo 2022 ye ntimi anya ya no rover action plan KM we say afi acha first quarter of this year ya be sword cutting na ya be e dia so be bofom na yetimi esi police station e dia mansafo a na no home kan ya ye na no ohene kan ho asem enche bia ne benya police station wasafo na me fi say GPRTU for kan na nko mo kan say yetu ho na mo yenya container bia na say yenya space bi o ye terminal ho a ye de be police post ohun ye hwe secretary dia omoje no ho ne ye hwe adwuma omoye no ho a me fi say omo start adwuma wasafo no ba now ankenya bus terminal ba bi kakra bi kra dia police post I think say nkabeboa ntinye ne ene omo be ka say obi be fa ka na ye je omo bu bi ana ye je omo phone ne ade me me di omo ho ya wo sa asem na omo kan no na me as an assemblyman no me ne asafo hene so aka bomu a enche bia no first quarter of this year Sompa for ebe invite mo na maba mba be head sword cutting aye be yes police station dia abo asafo na amasa crime rate na ekoso no so etimi aba form so ye nya bia wa asafo a eben asafo market wa ye be yes sword cutting yes police station
abusuan hwema da ni radwa na se no Ernesto kan ye asambere my small honorable edema de show mu asafo ne mpotemu ene ne kokobon nkomo na wo chese masa atom so ene GPRTU for no odi mu ho ya pa me kura na msa sanam shema me yem namte new plan station nom ni hade a iti mu amoye adwuma wo ya mo hu se am roberts no mo tete mu no se ka mo so ade a mo si ne tintin di bia ye hotel yi kamatuma yi be stores be miensa e de ama posi for mo ba betenem aboa mo aboban e de ama mo na so matretena ho no mo a ene na mba besu ogu no so wo se ono so no de so bo e bom no di mu ho ya pa se matena ho abisi ne afi na mbekasa asemi na so ne nyina mu no wo hye mobo se bo so miensa di kan aso be bofom asi post station ama mo
abusia yakopiem ewosunya ne west mansini ne mu a eja hyehyie bi akoso pa ama enana pay amene okasaidie 14 bedroom apartment eja na hye ne dworo be ama bibia anka na asemi esiye ewo odomase a ewosunya ne west mansini no emu mena wokasaidie dum dwadwumadie no ama yenya ne nteye se bibibia ewo fie honom ehyeye yenya nte se obi aprade nemum ni a emaja hyehyɛ no eba ye ne de yentumi enkyere na yensentwerefo ene assistant divisional officer grade 2 ADO2 Kwame Adomakon atwetwe nkomo ono ene ye kasamafo abedi akyire e de ma Bono regional command odum dwadwumadie no yene ne de nkomo na otwem no ka se oh eja hyehyɛ ne de na no ya wada enwumre be na wotwe ene gya no ehyase na yene oni ye kasaidie ontimi nkyɛ kwan a efa so bai nemom ene ne ya pa isa ne se odum dwadwumadie no koduru honom no eye maame ba ko pɛ na omutimi egye no na ye ne ya se omentumi enuru honom entem
ikodu woni de rank se enye kwa if you nankura be green nine igada dani nam ama senyame ampasa kranka adjoining house ebetini a transfer alcohol enti eba so anso ni ehuni sa na je say I was say fair from 2 enti kikri the officer in charge fair from 2 to place call no ana the sim phone so ba ya omutimi ebeso so ano memum me no kasa ide nankura eduna ne de okwa pink obia o wabonte de atade se no pe ana otimi fine yakoja na jare de emi ya pa ejinsamu na minnim dientia dankura se da kumyenu kra onse ni nyina ahia sana fa afodro edi na ma ne ba ne sa number na omunim fe no man frɛ asɛm na twitwa so saa ilizanya madam fi kra na ɔno so pie no huye no frɛ ya aka bi anka ɛdan a wo nkyɛn nyinaa no ebetimi ahye fire emergency numbers ni de yɛn ɛmo yɛ phone so kina me hadwe pa se dankura du achi atimi ahye asana fa afo biro de hadwe ni pese ma bo bia sobo ne mo busa yɛ hwehwem na de eba ne se uhwemu pa desire ofio ele oba pani ayɛ no esta kwatema bebe no afɛ no ame ya kwatema no na me ncha de onyane tidibim so uhwemu ade no ehya sefi bebia oba pani da no ni fi no ko n'anim ade o twimi enum die e 5 years die sɛ ma metie mu kura no a when na ɛte ne so da wa kwa wo hebe no wa training staff fo no epika ni o
CO2 Kwame Adomako ena de sansemu na etuja
abusua yenyina hai na ensem ya ye boaboa no ene dei de besomwo no yemfamo ensi ha na ansa na yebekɔ no yemfa seda ema yaboafo 5G energy drink no ane ye nonom so te say opa hode medical catch so opa hode e de ye adwuma bia wuye bia e 5G and ye come for Eddie amount. For the Doctor Authority in Penifua Jatum, na ye tenny say, Oji Bako, Oji Mienu, Oji Mien Sankan can say, a Nunuka Crasano, O Bois, na say a D na essay. 5G, or today, a digger day, Edio, Udi, Ozuetia, as it a get. Aha, Bomamia.
Bema, so back at your senior dear here near 5G. 5G ana edigade ahwode chapo I was afoti ahwode chapo 5G ye wo gritty kakra wom ye wo grapes kakra wom ye wo ginseng na member no ye ne ye de gi 3 points so what you say and eye enuane nopi no ewom food and drugs authority mpenifa gya to manya na wodwa so bebia befa bia eye 5G no bia enum wo ye teacher ni wo ye driver wo ye trotro mate wo ye taxi driver wo ye posi ni wo ye sojani fire service for mo kono akwa jana mo pe energy dia kwa ye adwuma no a eye 5G boys no so the frafra nema correct pa na ho frame 0246 270221 0246 270221 o pedudu atu atonia o fresa telephone number ya ye beje o fe so ne no adi nkomo o de o mpeni tenten empeni tietie bia ni a be bia Sompa FM ne Sompa TV ye wei e wo so ame ye premises ha bra Obahase ya enkomo bia open articulator ma open container ma ye besesa dia ma no akwakoton akwakoyi ni wanwan ama manfo enye bia no nom ama 2023 medical catch mo se ye mfa akwadwuro ngurem ye dia hoden vim ene den so ene ekofa ye nepa akwakofa ye nchira 5G na de ekọ so te ase 5G ene de ekọ ntipa bi no nom na ebebo pa na eno akire mizo fruit drink so no ye dia boso ebi enememini obeye ye obeye eye no kura de se nya nuru ho ntimi fa eye no mantam sa ni ye yo fa nkwa akire kura ye nya ready akodi bronya skani nyina amanasa tudu aye be hyehyehye ano ya obeye wa de nemom ebia wo ye party wo ye wedding binum birthday party se ne yakọ ba boniti ko yi menim se ne birthday party bi etitem kwanche ho de atojo no a nemom mizo fruit drink eno a preservatives bia nim
ɛyɛ natural fruit no a sɛ yanka yanka ne yɛde yɛyɛ a yɛmfa chemicals bia amfra sɛ yɛ pineapple no a ne yɛde yɛyɛ a yɛmfa chemicals bia amfra sɛ yɛ apple no a ne yɛde yɛyɛ sɛ yɛ mango so a mango no a ne yɛde yɛyɛ ɛne yɛwɔ baako bi a yɛaka fruits no nyinaa abom na yɛayɛ ne baako ɛdɛ paa obia so tumi nom bi age no sɛ ɔyɛ akwala sɛ ɔyɛ pani sɛ ɔyɛ adantɛmo sɛ ɔyɛ akɔkora sɛ ɔyɛ abrewa adwuma bi a woyɛ bia so no obɛtuma nom bi sɛ ɔyɛ sɔfoɔ sɛ ɔyɛ imam baabia akɔmfoɔ kolegi nom wɔn nyinaa bɛtuma no nom bia ɛfisɛ alcohol biaa nim wei ɛyɛ purely fruit ɛne yɛde yɛyɛ fruit no a organic pa abibia emfrɛ mu enti occasion bia sɛ opɛ sɛ wote w'anim a ɛyɛ mizo fruit drink ɛne yɛkamfo ɛde ama wɔ ɛno so opɛ bi etu atɔne a anaasɛ opɛ ne wanwan a na de w'ani akyerɛ Sompa FM yɛ premises ha ɛwɔ Soame anaasɛ ofrɛ telephone number ya yɛbɛgye wo so ne yɛne wɔ edi nkɔmmɔ bia ɛsɛ fata sɛ yɛne wɔ edie 0246 270221 0246 270221 wei ɛyɛ mizo fruit drink ɛna ɛno so no yɛka ho asɛm ɛde kyerɛ mu yi yɛnkenka mo messages ne kakra na afei yɛnsɔre imafe yɛkɔe na yɛnkɔ kenkan messages ne kakra wɔ Facebook amanfo messages a wɔn ɛde abiabia Facebook hɔ nom no yɛnkɔ na yɛnkɔ kenkan kakra emfa emamo we dey so betonton credit you tigo ne etel ne ade no betonton ho no keke kasoa o se kase no loud and clear wo American Town Kinky House wa wo kasoa keke yeda se Buhari Alasan o se memamu good morning minu amegidi se ho ye kakra ne yakue ni mafini mum na Felix Opon ohene dache hene nana kojo pon bampana se oso ohwe live Sompa news to the world Felix yeda se pa mo official powerty avise se na nkwane ahoden wo ho ne yakue anim and o say Mr President nana do danko akufado Felix Oponkro no a o se nyamenum ne ade hwo mo kwa breeze ne mpotam de mo kwan no wo disappoint wo mo pa wo disappoint wo mo na ohene mo se niema yo nyode so de etoje wa Felix yento aso na yenko anim master planner Kintampo o se ni di ni se o de Kintampo aka de Kintampo BMW esemo a mo ona mo de ye bekosa de yaba no se President Nana Danko Akufo ne Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia de o my Ghana ebe koboshe asase ne so na yemfa gidie entechri yo yate ena Edmond Kwabena Ejei o se me hwem live efri Asante Mampon Amstead campus yo yamamu nyina so official powerty yakopon kam ho na omie madwenum na munsua de me penim papa so te ase me boa nchichire o man ye Wellington ade o se me hwem live ewo New York City me fa me na me nkosira wo why o se o live o New York City na Sompa news o se ochia ye nyina na ojide wa rehemu se ye ho ye pa ejidi se so ho ye o se the incoming president ye honorable Kennedy Kwame Akompreko Japan na oba o se wonam wiem te so okode no oba no aba bedi o man so se nyame nshira Ghana ye da se Wellington Juliet Yeboa or say good morning can you there find out if SHS are going to school on Monday but there be Monday a holiday enti holiday no anaje say omu nko school bia nkopehwe enti Monday a holiday obana ka tro so omu nko school oboa Monday a holiday wate ena slide o say
o be say ebinom plan
me say omu plan no me say agum say okola na to da omu e gola body o Sly Dumba o se monkoso a na adwuma den na adwuma papa no monyemfa nsom yen Filippo etimatim Anti-Magi store no the opposite SDA school no o se hwa no butu na Yakopon Shira Mampeni na Nado Danko Akufo na MPP abade ne mum na nchia enkoma anti de Mary awo Jenin so Filippo yo yate we dey so beto obedidwa yaw Bernard Ashes ana yaw Bernard Ashes was say nice one also so nice one what hey 2 p.m. we share me how the blessed sun 2 p.m. asante mampon or say your hamatan season nim your hamatan season mu pa na ono no de eja omamba pa asede obesre se yenya hwi so hu ya hyehye nom ne sa ne amanema no yenya hwi pa yemfa ntu etiko or say happy new year enkoma na busia omo asante mampon we 2 p.m. so dia wode baye no nana ya oboache yadom opoku agima akwadin wa ebeda ko register mu nana yaw boachi yadom opoku ajiman that's right or say good morning na ososo mema good morning nibi or say Dr. Usuafi Yakoto a Greek minister wono enekuta tools nu a Ghana yehia enti yentroaba enfama the Greek minister na omedi eye Ghana so on the best minister on my Ghana yensa akano we nana yaw boachi yadom opoku Ajimai and yet in canon. MC our preko or say host memo official pa Mrs. Sumi watching or say Ninchi Ankoma Siwa or da the best CEO or what a great sector since 1992 Dr. Usuafi Yakoto incoming president of Ghana yo yate or hini Kofi or say good morning on my happy Sabbath so na Yakopon and Keho the news no a very great and special greetings and come Dr. Usuafi Yakoto, the best Greek minister. Hey, what is ako pray na niabro? Niabre pa yo yate. Yanko enimu anasa nana bafu ewa or say good morning. Nana bafu ewa or say good morning na or live ewo UK. We no can say Reddit there, Reddit and now Reddit. Hey, ana kwebizu kwa ka say Leicester no. Okoka Leicester no. Enti nana ba afo awu a ba bia wonwa na anim ye da se so he wo UK abonten so Shama ba Edna Benye ana Benya also he free Esikado Ketan Kojokrum constituency sayo yeda se symbol ousu or say good morning Sompa TV within the symbol ousu na also hweyen live and colored na odanyankopon ase se Saturday anopa asatu yasumdwe mu yeda rade ase no a yeda no a na ase na dom na humobro na de yen ababedru seye na betrisi wonde ejadwa no a na oba ebebedi ye abuso yemfa kase ninsi na yekono yema yenuanom a happy birthday a happy birthday opani ba ko a yene na edi dwuma pa ewa fidie so ye koba se yedi nkomo e de afa adwuma ye ene apedie hu nsensem a papa wono an yetafre no ene ne di hu nkomo yera Martin Opoku Sechere ene yen tete ne se Nyankopon e de afe ba ko aka ne mfie ho nti yenua Martin Opoku Sechere oye a renowned labor expert and also a friend of the media and titru Sompa TV ne Sompa FM nti yera Martin Opoku Sechere yema a happy birthday pa onuanom a ewofie ha nyina yese nkwatente ahoden wom owura no emfa ennomo na afe 2023 ya yewramu wonfa yen enko animu esa ena yenua ba boatma ono so ewo Ashtown boatma ono so ewo Ashtown Sompa FM ne Sompa TV onsi e form kra agise bibia anya twe ewo afidie so no ofro braya station no twi bi wom na chichiri bi na machire na tiko na say boatma nyame nshira wate ene your birthday yama happy birthday nyame onshira ozede eba na jotu over pk womra nefa ni pi woda ase na ni kunu beso mu ate ediboatma yama happy birthday nyame onshira na eye enkwatenti ahoden wom erade emfa ennom wate wakoma so ade maka kire se afi 2023 ebebem ebuso
Na me nua baba ko o de Mary Malin o se ye mfre no akata one ne na bema o mo fa fide eni agrokra
okay
na bema ne de wantie sompa kra na ne ho tete no ontumi entena enu nti me de nchia soronko kra ekoma Mary Malin ene na busuafo ni na obibi a wotie yen so onyankopon nhya mo London ayite o de message e ba ye e wo YouTube ena Elijah Boache ono so say me mamoni na chi o me hwemo efri Saudi Arabia mo adwuma pa e magana
obviously the musi na Reverend Samuel Obeng ono so say ohweyen e wo kropo ene ne mpotemu honomo o say ohweyen e wo kropo o say Sompa all the way Reverend Samuel Obeng yedase Sompa FM munsi e fom kranyame wonhyira mu nyina ye de musia na ya sorry pk ya do ene ye kɔ anim ya do akɔ anim no hwere ya do ma bifrati tie fa munsi asida nkoma gama we de ene kura beto na ade nwanwa ko ba jesi ene ona ne ona na de mu se sekese 5000 na ketwa 5000 a o be fa kese bregwa oni mi nyina pe ye be fa kese no a na ketwa 5000 na kese 5000 a e fa kese no man iska nto aduane ani kuro bi ehu no ane yenam ekoba da na se pike so ene chinchin fidie ne ema yen ima ene David ene de call social media ne so ema mansan a ewo wiase nyina etime ehwe ye kase yi etie bie ba de we kase a yeso so ye besomo ene anopei eye me yabo malibia boga me ne ma de fefe
ekua boachiwa asempa yetia yedamose someone yetnae
aseda nkoma ye news editor Santi Ebo Benedict on nsemi o se mode ma yen Sompa FM newsroom sunyan Sompa FM newsroom kumase ye de obibia se ye sorry ama pike e de